This is your graphing test. Please make sure you have your name at the top and the correct date for today. This test is divided into 3 different sections. The first section is our kindergarten section. It says, sort the pictures into categories and tell how many. So in my red box, I have a whole bunch of different pictures. In my blue box, I have an area for you to write. What you're going to do is you're going to count how many cats are in this red box. When you found how many, please write the number next to the cat in this area. Then you're going to count how many robots are in the red box, and you're going to write that number next to the robot. Finally, you're going to count how many cakes are in the red box, and you're going to put that number right here. Remember, you may pause this video as you are writing, and you may rewind to rewatch anything you need to. Our next section is our first grade section. This says, answer the questions about the graph. We have a graph of bugs. We have bees, flies, and ladybugs. Each of my categories is colored a different color. So bees are red, flies are blue, ladybugs are green. You're going to answer the questions below. It says, how many ladybugs are there? So look up at the graph, count, and then write your number here. The next one says, how many bees are there? Look up at the graph, count, and write your answer here for bees. The next one says, how many bugs all together? Look up at the graph, count, and write your answer here. The next one says, which bug has the least amount of votes? You're going to write your answer here. I need the word of the bug, not a picture, the word. Sound out the best you can. And the last question says, how many more flies than ladybugs? Look up at the graph and see how many more flies than ladybugs and write your answer here. Our last section is our second grade section. This says, graph the information. There were 5 hearts, 3 circles, 2 squares, and 7 triangles. So you're going to use that information that I just read to make me a graph here. I'll read it one more time. There were 5 hearts, 3 circles, 2 squares, and 7 triangles. So graph that information here for me. At the end, please turn it into your teacher.